What if I told you that large sections of a utility-scale solar farm could arrive inside a shipping container? We're talking the solar modules, racking, and wiring already assembled and ready to deploy. Not individual solar panels, not racking that you have to assemble, not loose components. An actual section of a solar array, pre-assembled, pre-wired, ready to deploy. Now, if you spend any time around utility-scale solar construction, you know that's very different from how projects have traditionally been built. Historically, thousands of components arrive on site for traditional construction. Racking, modules, pallets of materials. Then large crews spend months in the field assembling thousands and thousands of individual components across hundreds of acres. But there's a smarter way. Let's get into it. For decades, utility-scale solar projects have generally followed the same process. You create a laydown yard, deliver thousands of components, stage those materials, build the project piece by piece in the field. And that approach, it's worked. It's how the industry has built gigawatts of solar capacity. But it also creates challenges. More deliveries, more material handling, more opportunities for damage. You also have more labor, more logistics, more complexity. And as project schedules become increasingly important, developers and EPCs are looking for ways to simplify construction. And here it is, the Maverick system, which is unique in so many ways. Instead of shipping thousands of individual pieces that are assembled in the field, the Maverick system is factory constructed into fully assembled array sections and transported in standard shipping containers. A telehandler simply unloads the unit and places it into position. The array is then unfolded and deployed. Think about that for a moment. A section of a solar farm arriving largely pre-assembled and ready to deploy. That's not just different, it's better. When you simplify logistics, a lot of things happen. You reduce material handling. You reduce staging requirements. You reduce opportunities for damage. You also reduce the number of individual components crews must manage. And you simplify the overall construction process. That's one reason the Maverick system is deployed so quickly. A crew of just 3 to 4 people can deploy over 1.5 megawatts per week. That's roughly a 70% labor reduction compared to traditional approaches. And those aren't just labor benefits. They're logistics benefits, their schedule benefits, and their project risk benefits. The real advantage of simplifying all this isn't just the logistics either. It's speed, and what that speed does for the economics of a project. When large sections of the solar array arrive factory assembled, pre-wired, and ready to deploy, you're eliminating a significant amount of work that would normally have to happen in the field. Maverick can be deployed up to 10 times faster than conventional utility-scale solar construction. But think about what that actually means on a large project. If you reduce the number of labor hours required in the field, you're not just reducing headcount. You're reducing payroll, overtime, per diem, travel, supervision, safety exposure, and all the other costs that come with having a large construction workforce on site for months at a time. If you reduce material handling, you're not just moving fewer components. You're reducing equipment hours, operators, staging areas, material management, and the risk of components being damaged, lost, or installed incorrectly. And if you shorten the construction schedule, you're not just finishing sooner. You're reducing site overhead, equipment rentals, temporary facilities, construction management costs, and the financial exposure that comes with every additional month the project remains under construction. You're also reducing the window for weather delays, labor disruptions, material problems, and other issues that can impact the schedule and eat into those profit margins. And then there's the other side of the equation. The sooner the project is completed, the sooner it can begin generating electricity and revenue. So when we talk about deploying solar up to 10 times faster, the real story isn't simply speed either. It's reducing installed cost, reducing construction risk, improving your schedule certainty, and ultimately improving project margins and returns. The solar industry has done an incredible job reducing the cost of generating electricity. Now, the next challenge is reducing the complexity of building these projects. That's why innovative deployment approaches, like the Maverick system, are attracting attention. They're challenging long-held assumptions about how utility-scale solar projects should be constructed. So if you're evaluating a utility-scale solar project or an industrial facility, a data center, manufacturing site, or other large energy project, NextGen Clean Energy Solutions can help determine whether the Maverick deployment approach is a good fit. To learn more, contact us, info@nextgencleanenergy.com. Think about it. We'll catch you next time.